Welcome to our latest video where we explore the top 5 best places to visit in Seoul in 2024. First on our list is the iconic Gyeongbokgung Palace, a must-visit for history and architecture enthusiasts. Next up, we have the bustling Insadong neighborhood, known for its traditional Korean culture and delightful street food. Don't miss out on a visit to the vibrant Myeongdong district, famous for shopping, street performances, and delicious local cuisine. For a taste of nature in the heart of the city, head to the serene Namsan Park offering stunning views of Seoul. Last but not least, immerse yourself in the trendy Hongdae district, known for its hip cafes, art galleries, and live music scene. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie, a nature lover, or a fashionista, Seoul has something to offer for everyone. So pack your bags and get ready for an exciting adventure in one of the most dynamic cities in the world. Make sure to check out these top 5 destinations to make the most of your trip to Seoul in 2024. Which of these places are you most excited to visit? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more travel tips and guides. God bless you all.